Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Symmetry.
What does the dictionary say?
A geometrical or other regularity that is possessed by a mathematical object and is characterized by the operations that leave the object invariant. A rotation or translation of a plane figure that leaves the figure unchanged although its position may be.
Math rap.
When two or more parts look the same after flip or turn, both sides equally match. Symmetry is the term. The most common type of symmetry is mirror when two perfect matching sides visibly appear.
Math rap.
What do you call the perfect tree that has an equal amount of leaves on both sides? Symmetry. Explain symmetry in your own words. Design and draw a pair of symmetrical butterfly wings. Draw 3 different perfectly symmetrical shapes. What everyday objects around us are symmetrical? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!